a wonderful team together. We were mountaineers who climbed a lot of steps in COEP and Vincent's, and we enjoyed it. We were a good team. And we were also a team who used to exchange words and poetry.
Respected Dr. K.H. Chetty, distinguished guests, all the invitees, my son Harshvardhan Pandey. He was born with multiple congenital deformities on 7th of January 1988 in the military hospital Kharki. He had arthrogryposis multipla, he had cleft palate, and of course many other diseases, deformities. Sorry. And I remember the first surgery he had in the MH hospital where his cleft palate surgery was to be done. He got up at night at 12 o'clock when he was just about 3 years old. He said, "Mom, I want a drop of water, I'm feeling thirsty." And I had to tell him that you can't get any water because after 12 o'clock there is a surgery to be done. You will be astonished, my dear friends. He just put his hand around me and went back to sleep. St. Vincent's High School for me. The school where the teachers, the principal, the students all treated him with such love and caring. He topped his SSC, he topped his HSC, he got 100% in his final year engineering, and as I said, he joined one of the good companies, that is Associates. He got a gold medal in TRDDC, TCS. He was always very humble, and he was very kind and very, very helpful. We got a lot of support from all the doctors. I would also mention here the strength, determination, willpower, and the spirit which my son possessed. All his friends used to come and spend time with him, play with him, joke with him, and he never missed school because he got all the reports. I would like to thank Dr. K.H. Chetty for all the treatment he did. Thank you so much. Thanks.
Good evening, everybody. Owner of this place, my nephew, Mr. Gupta ji, Mrs. Pandey, Smita, Colonel Pandey, Mr. Thakur, and distinguished family friends of Pandey family and well wishers. Well, I come across so many patients in my life, right from my first day of practice on 12 December 1965. But let me tell you, I never had a patient like Harsh. You'll ask me why, what is there? Number one, as she rightly said, he has never asked me any question about what I'm going to do, whether it will be painful, how many surgeries I'm going to do. He will ask me what you want me to do, when I want to eat and this and that, when I should start starving. He will ask relevant questions to the related to surgery. And post-operatively also, he won't go anything. What are the results, what will happen, this, that. He was always positive, and therefore he was a unique patient. Mentioned by Smita that he'll never cry after multiple surgeries. I used to put a lot of pins, wires, traction to correct the deformity. He had deformity in the spine, feet deformity, cleft palate, and so many. And we decided that we want to make him walk. And thanks to his parents, both of you, you made such a good efforts. Surgery is one part. Compliance from the patient is another part. But the patience on the part of parents to take good care is something different, which I rarely find nowadays with so many people as this couple has. Well, I can talk so many things about him, so many things. As you know, how witty he was, how good he was in conversation. Once I wrote something on the paper description. He politely told me, "Doctor, this spelling is little wrong." But so politely he will tell me, and I admire that he could tell me that my spelling was wrong, and very politely. It shows what? Love and affection. You can't point out somebody's mistake on the face unless you love him. That he taught me in that small incident. Number two, how good was in his literature, English language. And number three, how polite he was. Well, all good qualities which only God possesses. I never found on this earth anybody possessing. He possessed that. And that was all in one. I can go on quoting when he was in the ward with 2 patients. He will go to the next patient. He will, on wheelchair, he will go to other patients. He will ask them, try to help them out whatever he can. And he used to mix with everyone. He never kept himself, oh, I am crippled, and what will happen to me, and what not. That's what is nature. I want to just quote few lines what he wrote in his book, what he was. Until the darkness gives way to the light, until all my dreams take flight, until every wrong is set right, I won't give up, I will fight. What a fighting spirit he had. And because of that spirit, he could do well and go on with number of surgeries. More than a dozen surgeries I had done with him, and some of them were done initially in Ramesh Karki. Well, it also shows one thing, that he was a superhuman being. He was an entrepreneur. He was a person who had a lot of things to express. So emotions, how emotions are important in life and how that gives you strength is also very nicely depicted in the book, which you can see and read. Well, I'm glad that Colonel Pandey and Smita gave me chance to release this book, and it is a great honor for me because Harsh was one of my very, very, very favorite, not a patient but a friend. I used to talk with him, I used to chat, as I said, I will examine, my medical work was getting over in 10 minutes. But remaining time I used to chat, discuss, he will give me this information, that information, and we became very good friends. And it was nice of them that when the book was ready, she came to me, and both of them came to me and told me such and such book he has written. He has mentioned about the doctor in general, perhaps some part about me has written there, but he didn't mention the name as such, but he mentioned the character of a person. I was very happy to see that, and thanks to you, Mr. Thakur, for publishing this book, because any good thing, unless goes in the hands of good people, it doesn't become very good. And that's what Jacob Publishers are a big one in India. They have got multiple branches, and they are doing a good job. What about you? When I see everybody's faces, I see a lot of love and affection. I see good involvement. You have come here not just for the sake of attending the function, to show your concerness. And I heartily appreciate this crowd on everybody's face. There are people standing on the way, and it's all full. I think I never seen such a big crowd. I come here a couple of times to release many books.
Including your own.
But today is a rather very big crowd. Nothing much to say, but thank you very much, Smitaji and Colonel Pandey, for giving me this opportunity. Because my beloved patient, writing a book and releasing at my hands, and she gave me a chance to write a forward also, and I could mention something my feelings about him in this book. Thank you very much for that, and have a good evening, everybody.
My editor, my chief editor, Mr. R.S. Sharma, who's more than 40 years in the company, and he told, yes, this is the writing. And he was comparing this book to one of the very top bestseller of US. I don't remember the name. I'll surely tell ma'am. And he told me that this book will go a long way. And about the author, he was telling, you go there, you meet ma'am, and you meet Colonel. You will come to know how everybody. So I'm really, my confidence level is too high now. I can say this book will do wonders across the country and also abroad.
Sorry, ma'am, please. Thank you.